Fact about Amazon rainforest.
How much of a
Amazon rainforest is situated in Brazil.
it's 60%?
Yeah, it's correct. Water from the Amazon River flows into which ocean?
It's Atlantic Ocean
Yeah, it's correct.
that runs through the Amazon forest. Salt water.
No, it's a fresh water, not a salt water.
The Amazon River is the largest river in the world. The rainforest spans over 9 different countries. The Amazon has an incredible rich ecosystem. The Amazon rainforest is considered the lungs of the earth. The Amazon is the world's largest tropical rainforest. The rainforest spans over 9 different countries.
Amazon forest located in Brazil. River flows